Hey guys, Scott Reekers here with Eastmans TagHub. You have a limited amount of vacation and you know that you can only hunt during some specific days. So how would you use TagHub to figure out which hunts have those dates? Well, you start here. There's our state drop-down menu. We're going to start with Wyoming maps and charts. And so I'm going to start with our elk because I'm a Wyoming resident. So Rocky Mountain elk. I am interested in an any weapon tag. And so I'm going to switch my residency here to resident. And I want a tag that, if I haven't found what I'm looking for by the end of the season, I want an either sex tag. If I am not one of the lucky ones to draw a good elk tag, these are all the general hunts that I would be looking for. And so coming down this direction, I can look at this and I can pull this up and I can see that all my season dates are available here. And here's the really cool part. If I want to be able to see what's available, I can click on it and it highlights it. Shows me exactly where that's at. Click on the unit. All my information comes up over here. But let's just say I want to find all the other units that have the same dates. I can come up here and I can select, let's just do basically all of October. We can filter that. And that narrows those general hunts down. And so now I can see which ones have those available dates all through October because that's when my vacation time is available. And so it makes it much clearer on what you're looking for. Now, let's do the same thing here for our limited type 1 hunts. And you have a lot more options available with this, but we can get rid of this and you can select all and filter it, keep all of them there. And you'll see all of our limited quota units show back up. If you're non-resident, you've got a ton of points that you wanted to burn. Sorry, that deadline's already passed for 2020. But if you had a ton of points you wanted to burn, well, you'd kind of want to get rid of all the marginal stuff. So you would click good and excellent and then filter. And all the marginal stuff will go away and that'll allow you to sort through a little bit more. Change your setting here and put 50 per page so you've got a little bit more breathing room down here at the bottom. So when you're scrolling through you can make that table bigger, all the available units. So let's just say I want to find which units now I can hunt mostly in October. Well, Wyoming's got a lot of elk hunts that are there, but looking at this, I don't know that I want to hunt in 56. So how do I get rid of all those November hunts? Well, you come right here and you start scrolling through and you can start taking all those November hunts away. So I don't want this one, I don't want this one, I don't want that one. Rid of that, get rid of that. And you can say filter. And now those hunts have also disappeared. And you can see I'm zooming. Move this guy back. And I can go in. This unit looks like a great one to apply for, so let's see what my odds are. So I've clicked on the unit, it's popped up over here. Got a good trophy forecast. So what are my draw odds as a resident? About 4%. So that's a rough one to apply for. However, you can't get it if you don't apply. So that's what Eastmans TagHub is all about, helping you sort based on your needs. So use Eastmans TagHub to find the right dates for the right season, for the right hunt to help you have the best experience. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on how to use Eastmans TagHub to filter and find the best hunt available for you. And also make sure you've signed up for the e-news because we'll keep sending these to your inbox.